So guys, for the first method, once you're on Google Chrome, you're going to click on the three dots in the top right. Now you're going to click on settings. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to click on reset settings. Now once this comes up, you're going to click on restore settings to original defaults. You can untick this box if you want to, and then click on reset settings. Now you just want to close out of Chrome, open it back up again, and then this should now fix your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it, and then click on yes, and now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So you want to expand HE current user, and now you want to expand software, and now you want to expand Google, and now you want to find update. You want to right click on update, and then click on delete, and then click on yes. And now you just want to restore your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.